Hommikust, good morning. Uh, just I want to first introduce myself. My name is Tarmo Koretko. Tutvustan ennast, minu nimi on Tarmo Koretko. And just to maybe clarify the technicalities first, we have synchronized translation in case you required the translation from Estonian to English, and you can receive the headphones and your set, which is located just before the door. So if you require this, I kindly ask you to get yourself equipped now. The first part of our seminar will be in Estonian. Veel kord, tere hommikust!
Once again, good morning. I am Tarmo Koretko and I am from Tallinn Technical University. I'm a senior scientist and I am pleased to be here in the capacity of a moderator. Today's event focuses on light pollution of Tallinn urban lightning. And in order to start properly, I have the honor to ask the Vice Mayor, Vladimir Svet, to give us some introductory words.
Tere hommikust, good morning, dear experts in light both from Tallinn, Estonia and from abroad. It is an honor to have you all here this year, during the year when Tallinn is the green capital of Europe, and the year when we are in the midst of a construction of a tram line to the harbor. I believe all of you have already experienced while moving around this venue. I know that today there are a lot of people from Finland here, so we can say that you are the ones to blame because you first built the tram to the harbor and now we are trying to do more or less the same. So thank you. Thank you for arriving to Tallinn. Thank you for joining the conversation on future of the light and on the problem of the light pollution. This year and in the years to come, Tallinn is going to invest about 20 million euros into renovating the street lights, into bringing them to the LED technology and introducing a smart managing system of our lighting. Of course, here we must also thank the energy crisis of the previous year that helped create the momentum to find the necessary funds, to find the political will behind these decisions. But of course, for Tallinn, this movement didn't start yesterday, it didn't start a year ago. It was a strategic policy to bring our lighting to LED totally and to make it smart. And in this context, for us, we cannot look through the question of light pollution. Be it the problem of our citizens having a good night's sleep, be it the problem of the mental health issues that we face today, when people usually don't know how to switch off, how to relax, or be it the problem of animals, birds and insects for whom lighting can also be a problem. I think it is a major task for all the cities to find the right balance between how much light do we give to people and when do we make it calm or even switch it off. I must admit that in this topic, I think here in Tallinn we are still in the beginning of this journey. And therefore, I'm very inspired to see you all here, and I hope that the colleagues from, as we call it, KEKO, or Tallinn Urban Construction Department, will take the most from this event, from your expertise, to make Tallinn city better, to make our streets safer, and at the same time more comfortable, and not only for people but also for the other species inhabiting the green capital of Europe. So I wish you a day full of new ideas, full of hard discussions. I urge you to ask questions and to go into debate if you disagree, and to applaud if you agree. And I hope that everybody will take a lot from this day and make our city and your cities better. Thank you.
aitäh! Veel kord.
Once again, thank you very much, Vice Mayor of Tallinn, Vladimir Svet. Today's seminar, the topic is undoubtedly very important. In the context of urbanization, light is something we cannot exclude or we cannot ignore. Of course, lighting has a lot of positive aspects, but at the same time, light can cause a lot of problems. And some of these issues are going to be touched upon today. We are going to focus on questions like, could there be too much lighting, and how could we measure it? We are going to discuss glare and light pollution, and all these questions probably will get answers today. And of course, we want to talk about excessive lighting and its aspects and effects on population. Also, we are going to examine different examples, how lighting is regulated, limited in other places in the world, not only in Nordic countries. We're going to introduce panorama and satellite views that enable us to balance lighting. And in addition, we'd like to discuss whether our citizens are ready to accept dark areas or dimmer cities. Today's seminar focuses on a research Tallinn urban lighting analysis, and I would like to recommend you to take a look at this study.